Alright, here goes my subway adventure. See if I can get lost on the subway. I probably need a card before I... Let's see if I need a card first. No, I don't. Starts talking, I'm like, oh, do I need a card? Police coming to get me. I haven't gotten any kind of card yet. I've seen online you have to get like some kind of card to, like a preloaded card to ride the subway. I go down and up. That made no sense. Did I miss something? Maybe there's a loading station up here. Entrance. Okay, so I went down and then looks like I gotta go down again. That was smart of me. I guess you go down and then I wasn't paying attention. Oh, at least it'll be air conditioned on the subway. So it was like $50 or more to take a taxi or a cab or whatever to the airport from here. I've heard 50, I've heard 80, and then we'll see how much it is for the subway. This is like a little over an hour, so it might even be 2 hours on the subway because all the stops and stuff like that, but we'll find out here. Oh, this is gonna be fun. I'm just guessing where I'm going. I see signs up there, so. I have to take the number 1 and transfer to something else, but there is 2 number 1s, so hopefully I got the correct one, and then I have to find out how to load my card. And I converted some of my pesos to their money here. I forget what we call it, won or something, which is probably wrong. I forget. Looks like I'm going the right way. And let's see. Yep, this way. A little bit of English every now and then. Money exchange. Okay, I just gotta find out how to load. You have to get a deposit on a card, deposit, refund. And I have no idea how much to load on this. Okay, this is gonna be fun. So instructions. Let's see. Deposit, refund. I don't think this is going to be it. I'm guessing it's going to be these ones over here. I could be completely wrong, but everyone's using these ones, not that one. So there's. This is here, I think it's this one. Ticket, vending, and card. Reload. Okay, here we go. Let's see.
Welcome. This is a vending device for Seoul journey ticket. Select the desired service.
When using the communication card or single trip ticket, you cannot transfer the lines Seoul Station, line 1. That's fun.
Please select your destination 출발문.
So it would be the I. So
Select your destination
I.
menu, or search the AD number of your destination.
Incheon International Cargo Terminal. Okay, Incheon Terminal 1. There we go.
Select a single journey ticket and the number of tickets you wish to purchase. Then insert money.
Deposit 500 there. So 5,000. Do I just put money in? I don't know if I have enough. So it's 5,000. This is 5,000. 5,300. See if I did it right.
Terminal ticket being issued. Please wait a few moments.
Oh, let's see if I did this right. Ah, there it is. And my change. What's on? A credit card or? Uh. Are you reloading a card?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I've never reloaded. I just my first time.
For single journey ticket.
Okay, well, we'll see. Alright, the gentleman said I was going the right way. I loaded it correctly. I think so. Ah. Seoul Station 4. I don't know. I wish there was like directions. This is crazy. I'm gonna find out if I'm going the right way. And I got plenty of time at least. I wonder if everyone just got off of it because like there's way more people coming this way than the way I'm going. I'm just showing people my map here. Okay, well this is the subway. No, let's see if I get on the right one. Let's see if I can find somebody. Oh, I don't know. It's crazy. So I think I need to find one, maybe? Is there like any kind of map? Okay. Subway map? Oh god. uh, God, you gotta duck all the way down here? I think it's this one. Yeah. One. And it doesn't show like where you are though. So I need to find one. Oh my god, this is so crazy. I don't know. So you are here. And then So it looks like I am gonna be on here. I'm gonna get on this right here, and then I'm gonna go 2 stops and jump off at Seoul Station and look for the international, um, the train that, not train, but whatever that takes me to the international airport. So get on here where I'm at right now, take 2 stops, get off, and then do 1 transfer. So we'll see if I do it right. This will be my first time riding a subway. Alright, to 1. Alright, so it notifies you, it tells you, it reads it out loud. There's a screen on there. You're gonna get off into Seoul Station and then find number 1, which looks like it's over this way. What was that guy pouring out? So there's 1 this way.
The train for
Airport Railroad.
is approaching.
Oh yeah, I gotta go this way. Okay, this is fun. Alright, so found someone that pointed me semi in the right direction. So they say you go up the stairs and you go right some way. So it's not like you knew what I was talking about. At least it's in the right direction. Let's see. This is transfer. There we go. So 15 International Airport this way. Okay. It's kind of crazy. It's kind of a mad dash. It's like so many places wrong turns you can take. Okay. International Airport. Man, I'm so grateful for people that just took the time to help me out, because trying to read those maps, my ADHD and my, like, I just can't, like, focus when I'm, like, trying to hurry and rush and stuff. And the map is it's just crazy. I get it if you do it a lot. It's like, I mean, I don't go to New York and do this stuff. I've never been on a subway. Been on, like, light rails and stuff, But it's not too hard if I took time to do it. I actually took a picture of each layout I got to. Now we're gonna see what's up with my card, because I haven't like reloaded or anything like that. So we're gonna see. So, oh yeah, this is no additional fare. Yeah. So I vlog and I love to watch vloggers, and I watch people go through this. I think I go this way. No. Let's Incheon International. I'm gonna murder that name just like everything else. Do I need a scan? No. Okay, so my flight doesn't leave until 10:30. It's 4:45. Still have like almost 6 hours until my plane leaves. So I got plenty of time. I just didn't want to have to stress going through baggage. I gotta find my bag that I left it back in storage, and then I gotta pick up boarding pass. I'm guessing it wouldn't let me do one online. So, all right, I made it onto the subway. So you ride this one all the way to the end. I think it's like an hour. Um, yeah, it's like the very last stop. So I'm guessing this is the one that takes like an hour. Um, we're at like the very beginning, the start of this one, and goes all the way to the end is the terminal one where I'm at. So here we are on the subway. It is about 5 o'clock. I got 5.5 hours till my flight leaves. All right, just got off the subway. That was fun. It was like an hour ride, something like that. So you take it all the way to the end. I had to go to Terminal 1. Pretty simple. Then you get off, use your card again at the very end of it, and then there's a machine you can put your card in, and it refunds you I think whatever's left, or it's just your deposit. I don't know, but I got like 500 back. I think that's like 50 cents or something. I don't know. I haven't really paid attention to any of the conversion. I literally just took about like $60 and used that today. Running around street foods and buying lunch, buying coffee. I didn't really do much. Didn't really need much money, but all right. So we're gonna get my other bag, and then I've got like 2-3 hours until my flight leaves, and I am leaving South Korea, and then heading straight to San Francisco. And then on San Francisco, I get to jump on an Uber, and then a bus and a train to go to Sacramento. Yeah, it's whatever. I didn't want to have someone come pick me up from San Francisco to San Diego. So I'm sorry, San Francisco to Sacramento. I'm tired. Because it's like $30 to take a train, and it'd be more than that in gas. So I was like, I'll just take a train. Like, don't come pick me up. $30. Like, no. So I'm going to San Francisco I'm going to Sacramento from San Francisco to go visit family. So, all right. Yep, that's about it. And then go charge these bad boys because I'm running low on fuel and everything. Here we go.